Hi everyone, thank you for dropping by and spending your precious time with me. So today I'm also making a homemade shallots, and it's about 500 grams of them. And first I'm going to peel them off, slice them thin, and then we're going to cook them. In about 10 minutes or so they're done. Shallots are very aromatic on any dishes. It could be fried rice, wonton, noodle soup, any noodle dishes or vermicelli dishes. And the shallots oil, I keep them for stir frying or mixing it with my noodle soup or vermicelli stir fry. The aroma is just making your dishes even more aromatic. I'm just going to peel them all off, and then we're going to slice them thin, and then we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes or so. So let's get started and follow along. So now they're all done, so we're ready to fry them. So thank you so much everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.